Hello students and my dear friends, I Rajvinder Pal, founder of Vivace and former member of KLT Guru Nanak Dev University Amritsar. We at Vivace help and guide our students in selecting their higher study program in Canada and US. And my dear students, this is Amritsar Founders Prosperity Series episode 7, and today I am going to give you some quick tips on how to choose the right study program in Canada. As we all know, from accounting to botany, Canadian universities and colleges offer something for everybody. In fact, there are so many choices that sometimes it is difficult to know from where to start. And the most exciting thing about studying in Canada is that you do not necessarily have to choose a subject immediately. So students, you have ample time and space to select the perfect study program in Canada that meets your goal. When applying to the Canadian universities and colleges, students generally submit an application to the institution or department they are interested in. Program structures vary significantly between universities and colleges, and one first decision will be whether you want to study at a college or at a university level. It is vital to consult your intended institution website, or it is even better if you reach out to someone in the admission department by a chat or by email. As a future international student, you will also need to verify that the university or college where you wish to study must be designated learning institute, meaning it was approved by provincial government or territorial government. University programs in Canada are varied and rigorous, and if you love research, writing and getting deep into your special needs subject, then university could be the perfect for you. Programs are usually structured around lectures led by top professors and seminars that act as a discussions group between teachers and peers. Many programs involve written work as might be expected, but universities are also increasingly integrating group assignments, work placements and field research into the courses to better emulate the working environment. So generally speaking, you do not need to commit to a specialization when you apply to university in Canada. All you need is to just give an indication of the subject you wish to study in science, arts or business. And students, do not forget that Canadian colleges are no less than universities. Almost 70% of the international students from India, China, Pakistan and from other Asian countries prefer to study in colleges because of their easy application process and other benefits such as integrated work placements, vocational training, continuing education or flexible part-time study options. College tuition fees are often lower than fees at universities. And if you are worried about a particular college not being well known outside Canada, then students must note down employers are more likely to be impressed by your experience and by your positive attitude. Now come to the points how to choose a perfect study program in Canada. So this is a tricky question simply because there are so many options and each student is unique and different. So the first thing that you might ask yourself whether what you want to be when you grow up. So most of us still do not know, but finding out a perfect career path is the fun part also. Trying different subjects and courses could take you in a direction you never imagined. So if you are not sure where you want to go, try choose a study program that allows the flexibility of choosing courses. Second, are there scholarships options? There are many opportunities for scholarships in Canada for international students. If this is a priority, make sure to see what the department or program offers. Third, how can a study program in Canada help career goals? If you have a clear idea of your future career goal, focus on the program that can help you get there. Consult university and college courses listing and read their detailed descriptions. Fourth, where you want to study. If it seems like there are too many good programs to choose from, try making a decision about where you want to live and look at the study options in that area. Fifth, does this program fit your life right now? So many international students in Canada bring their families or have work commitments during their studies. Finding a study program that fits your lifestyle is the key. Ask yourself some questions. Does the program have a flexible class schedule? Are there options for studying online? How long may the program take to complete? The answers to these questions can give you an idea of how well your studies will integrate with your everyday life, and smoother this integration is, the more you will get out of your studies. So well students, these are the basic points need to be considered while applying for higher studies in Canada. For more details, you can visit YWAYS. I, Rajvinder Pal, assure you, I guide you in selecting the right study program which shall help you in attaining your career goals. I am thankful to AMISA founders for giving me this wonderful opportunity to interact with you and guide the aspiring youth regarding their career goals. Thank you.